Hey, concrete fans, welcome. Welcome to Marble Concrete Integral Mineral Pigment. This is a show where I mix concrete with you to make something beautiful. This is amazing. These are amazing pigments, mineral pigments, integral mineral pigments that we're mixing into our concrete mix to make marbled concrete. Sriracha water. 1 kilo, and that's 50 mils of water. An additional 50 mil. Not yet. Not the best. Messy. Today I'm mixing right on the table. No bucket. Not ideal. We'll work it out. So this show, we make concrete things together. Try to make things that are beautiful. We make things that are beautiful. If you're making it and you're feeling a real connection with the material, if you connect on an emotional level with the concrete, whatever you make is going to be beautiful. I know. Okay, I like this. I've got pigment. This is an integral mineral pigment. I'm going to go all the way white. I want this whole thing to be pretty light. White. And we need some moisture. There we go, there we go. This is a special video that I'm making for Diane, because Diane, I made a video where I did a surface application marbling, surface marbling, and Diane was upset that I did not show the final result. So I'm doing it again. Diane, sorry to disappoint. And this time, I'm going to show you the final result of my marbling. So this is my base, which I did not measure. I approximated a kilo, but judging by the amount of water I needed to put into here, I'm thinking it was actually a bit more than a kilo, maybe 1.3 kilos. Oh man. Can you imagine? Can you imagine if I was trying to measure 1 kilo of concrete and instead of measuring a kilo, I measured 1.3 kilos? What a, oh my goodness. That would be such a, like, oh, such a poor estimate. Can you imagine? Oh my goodness, 0.3 of a kilo over what you thought expected to be 1 kilo? That's ridiculous. I love this for consistency. Look at this rock. There's a rock in here. Oh, you rock. And a chunk of hemp fiber and a rock. So we do have aggregate, and we do have hemp fiber just mixed right into our mix, because our mix is the greatest. This is one of my, making this is a crowning achievement. Let's split it. What are we working with? Oh, this is nice. We got two very nice batches. What do we do? I love green. Green, we're gonna go all the way green. All the way green. Here's what we do. All the way green, all the way yellow. Unmeasured, I guess, and half blue right there. And then depending on what this is, we're gonna build a really, we'll make some. Let's see what this gives us though, here. This is gonna be real nice. Oh, look at this. Look at these pigments. This is amazing. These are amazing pigments, mineral pigments, integral mineral pigments that we're mixing into our concrete mix to make marbled concrete. Amazing. I'm very excited about this color. Very excited. Look at this. Oh, beautiful. Diane, the last time I made a marble tile, I didn't show you the final result. And I feel bad about that. I felt bad about that. I saw your comment and I was like, I got to do something about this. Look at this. Avocado. What color is this? I'm going to say avocado. I love it though. So we've got colors. I'm going to do all of them. I've got black, red, and blue. I predict that this will be black, red, blue. I predict I'm like an eggplanty, a pastel eggplant. What do I know? I'm just a guy. You're just a guy. Oh, this is going to be good. Two color. So a two color marble. Diane, I am sorry. The last time I did this, I did not show you the final result. Maybe for a reason. Maybe I was embarrassed. This is not eggplant. What is this? What color is this? I love it. This is, oh, wowee, Maui. What a great color. What is it? I don't know. Oh, it's wonderful. I love it. I love it. Here we go. Whoa, what's this? What's this over here?
I'm a hilarious mold.
Hey, you have a funny voice. Was it manipulated post-production?
Yeah, it was. It was manipulated post-production to make it sound funny. I'm your mold.
It's wonderful to meet you. Thank you. Here we go. Two colors, coming in hot, very hot. So sometimes that bit is funny. The idea of like me talking to a mold. It's funny sometimes. Wonderful colors. What is this? Oh, these colors are electric. What do we do here? Okay, I'm just going for it. Whole thing. Really blendy. That was all of it. Run with it. Diane, this one's for you. What are we going to get? Find out tomorrow. because I have to go to bed. I'm tired. I won't go straight to bed. I'll eat a snack and I'll play a video game of some sort, and then I'm going to go to bed. Oh, can't wait to see it. Marbling, a really quick one. I hope you liked it. We've got some amazing fans out there. Thank you so much for spreading the good concrete word. I appreciate it. We all do. And I hope you enjoy it. Hey, everyone. It's been about 10 hours. Here's our disc, our marble disc. I'm going to pop it out. See what we got today. Alrighty. Back side of the disc, looking very interesting. But our focus is actually this side. So, what do we do? I got a little bit of a burr, and I've got some. I'm going to show you a little bit of finishing. I've got some 240 grit wet dry paper. This is just from a hardware store, a local hardware store. You can buy this anywhere. Anywhere that sells sandpaper is going to have wet dry sandpaper. And the reason that's important is I like to do this wet. Because no dust and smoother edges. Sanding your concrete should always be done wet. Always, always. You never do it dry. Sanding concrete dry creates airborne contaminants. Concrete dust is not good for you. You always need to be masked up. And yeah, keep it dry. Taking down some of the high stuff. Now we're going to move into, should be good for that. We got a 600 now. 600 grit. 600 grit, 600 grit. That's the next paper, 600 grit. Let's see what that does. There we go. There's our freshly sanded, probably our bottom, could be our top, whatever you want. I like this. You know what? I'm gonna give this side just a little touch of 600, see what happens. If I sand down a little bit of 600 on this, we're gonna start seeing, it's gonna wash out a little bit of this blue, but it's also going to sand. We're gonna see some sand. Let's try it. That's gonna be good, I think. 600 is pretty gentle. I could go 1,000, but I don't think we need it. I think 600 will be just right. There we go. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh, that's pretty, very subtle. Wet polish. Thank you for joining me, everyone. Diane, here you go. Finished product. I'm gonna let this dry. You can use it just like this. You could also put a sealant, a stone sealant on here if you want, or you could just give it a nice buff of wax. You can do whatever you want to do for finishing on this. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for tuning in. And a big shout out to everyone out there who watches. Diane, Mary, Hamid, Andre. Dragan. Thank you. Fossil Works, thank you. Please, if you know somebody who'd be interested, that is everything for today on marble, concrete, integral, mineral pigment. If you're looking for more info, read the description below. Jump on our website, concreteconcrete.com. I've got supplies, molds, more information, more just free info. If you need just free info, you can go to the website. There's lots of literature on there, more videos. So check it out. Goodbye.